How are you all doing? Today's tips, we'll show you some amazing things you can do with Scotch tape that you probably didn't know about. Let's get started. Don't just use tape to seal cartons anymore. Watch this magical use of sticky hair. Take out the tape and pull it for a while. Then, turn it around and go back. Stick it to the source, and it can be used to remove hair. Are your sweaters and woolen coats plagued with pet hair after washing? No worries! Stick the tape to the clothes a few times and the hair will be gone. An affordable alternative to expensive hair stickers. Now, let's solve the problem of loose suction cup hooks on uneven walls. Apply a layer of clear glue on the wall first. Then attach the suction cup hook on top. Press from the middle outward to get rid of air and make sure the glue sticks well. Don't let new shoes give you blisters. Use Scotch tape to create a protective film. Cut the tape to the right size and stick it on any spots that hurt. Enjoy your new shoes without the pain. Sweeping up pet hair can be a pain, but not with Scotch tape. Attach a piece of tape to the broom's head, sticky side out. Use it to pick up the hair easily. Once you're done, just remove the tape and throw it away. Is your keyboard full of stains and dust? Let's clean it with tape. Wrap the tape upside down, leaving the sticky side out. Press the tape on the keyboard, and it will pick up all the dirt and grime. And there you have it, some fantastic uses for Scotch tape beyond just packing boxes. I hope you found these tips helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.